G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here, and it's the end of the day and I'm riding uphill with a front flat tyre, I might add. Just bear with me though, because there's a few people I want you to meet. Just get off my bike. Say hello to Sensei Funky! And the very talented Darky! Of course, when I said I was riding uphill hill, I wasn't riding all the way uphill hill. I'll leave that to the guys that can actually ride. Also down there, sitting on his bike with Sensei Funky, is my mate Andy. He's come all the way from Chesterfield to be our rock, our sweep rider. Oh, he had our backs today, and thank God he did, because today Funky was taking us
down the big bad hill.
So let's all go back to the beginning, because the beginning is the best place to start. It's early Saturday morning, and it's going to be a hot day. There's a lovely southeasterly breeze blowing as I sit here behind my mate Guy. Our current location is Slippery Rock Road. Also riding with us, but far, far ahead, is my mate Super Sam. 6 riders about to tackle the Null. Funky, Darky, Andy, Super Sam, Guy, and yours truly. And already Guy's KTM wants to go home. And as Darky comes up behind me, my WR wants to hide. It certainly was a fast and furious full-on ride to get us from Martinsville into the Watagans and onto the trail they call the Null. How's that?
Sucking in the big ones.
That's right, boys and girls, we were finally starting our descent into the dark depths of the Null. And don't for a minute think we just rode up Slippery Rock Road and we were here. We did kilometres of single trail at a fast and furious pace. There's no slacking off when you ride with Funky. Unfortunately, I can't show you any of that because my GoPro decided to freeze. Lucky I checked it just before we hit the Null. Oh, you can clearly see by Guy's body language that the hill is getting steeper. It's nothing for Darky though. And just when you thought it couldn't possibly get any steeper, it did. And if you're wondering why Guy's pushed his bike against that tree, well, I was wondering exactly the same thing. And as I was sitting back watching Guy struggle to get his KTM down this very steep part of the hill, I kept hearing a voice in my head saying, "You should ride your bike down there, Wayne. What could possibly go wrong?" Okay, allow me to show you all on my photo here where I actually hurt myself. Here, oh, and here. Of course, I didn't feel it till later on. That's how I've been trained by Sensei Funky. I've been trained to ignore pain. What he hasn't trained me to do yet is to make adult-like decisions based on my hopeless skill level. And now I'm really puffing. It was hard work getting my WR up and pointing in the right direction. Lucky for me, Funky gave me a helping hand. Finally, we were at the bottom of the Null. This is what happens when you're totally stuffed. Things that you would normally do just get so much harder. And like I said earlier, thank God for my mate Andy. Oh, he looked after us. Sometimes when I was curled up in the fetal position crying in amongst the leaf litter on the forest floor, the big man had come up to me, give me a hug and say, "It'll be alright, Artist Wayne." There's no real easy parts of the Null, it's all hard, and the hard parts are punctuated by even harder parts. Like this one. There are also body parts strewn all over the forest floor. There's a hand in that glove. A lot of riders don't make it out of the Null. It's a dark and dangerous place. Whoa, Super Seb has come to Guy's rescue. And the WR's facing the wrong way again. Whoa! Darky's riding the WR! Oh, that didn't last long.
I'll let you fight that up there.
I'll get it. I'll get it. Fuck. Yeah. I'm gonna bring it down into it again. Less water! Less water, Andy! Watch the camera!
Set for the camera.
Guess what? We were climbing! We'd ridden across the valley floor and we were on our way out. Hopefully it was all easy from here on in. I'll watch Super Sam and do exactly what he does. Nailed it! Motherfucker! Another bloody tree! If only I could jump them like Darky does! I could sense that we were getting closer to the top now. Woo! Good old Super Sam giving words of encouragement when they count.
Hey? I'll swing it around and give it another go.
That was easier said than done. The last hard climb, the last big push. There was still a ways to go, but the rest would be easy compared to this. I needed to do it. I needed to do it for me. I needed to do it for Sensei Funky. But would I have the energy? Parts of me had died back there in the Null. All Funky's training came down to this one moment in time.